I have been seeing this viral strawberry and chocolate everywhere, so here's my take on it with this decadent hot chocolate strawberry mousse. We will start by making the base of our mousse with some milk, heavy cream, sugar, instant coffee, cornstarch and cocoa powder. Give this a mix until it's nice and smooth. We will fold in our dark chocolate chips and vanilla extract. We will heat it until it thickens and becomes super rich and velvety. Just look at that, how decadent that texture is. It's truly so irresistible. In our serving glasses, I have placed a layer of crushed almond cookies, but you can use any cookies of your choice. Top this with some fresh in-season strawberries that will help brighten this up. Pour over the silky hot chocolate mousse and create a smooth top. Chill this in the fridge and garnish with a dust of cocoa powder, freeze-dried strawberry powder, fresh strawberries and some sprinkles.
Like Christmas, everywhere you go.
This is truly the dessert of the season. Head over to my blog for more detailed recipe and enjoy.
It's the sturdy kind that doesn't mind the snow.